Now we talked about all the business stuff. What do you actually do for fun? You got all these things going on. You with the Riser Crew, you with ACN, you pushing meat around the world. Be careful how you put that in Google, right? But what do you do for fun?
One of the things that I do most of the time, and I'll probably do it here in a little while, is I cook out. I cook out almost every day. Some people wait for the weekend to cook out. I'm cooking out when there's ice and snow coming down typically. So I just do it, or I'm making something special in the kitchen. I like to cook. It's kind of my go-to. It's my downtime. It's the time for my mind to reset and think through things. And, I like to write. I used to write a lot. I don't do that nearly as much, but I used to journal and, just write different stuff and all kinds of different things. But the majority of what I do now is cooking. From being a meat guy, I have access to a lot of different unique cuts that, people are like, what is that? I'm like, oh, it's this. And like, where's that come from? I'm like, it's in there. It has to be cut out, but it's good.
So speaking of, so it sounds like you're saying if I wanted some prime cuts of meat, I can reach out to you and you can have it, sent to my front doorstep? Is that how it works?
So I sell large volume, large quantities, truckload stuff, or 10, 15, 20,000 pounds. However, I know all the best of the best. So wherever, living in Jacksonville, I used to work for Hickory Foods or Bubba Burgers. I was with those guys for a stint back from 2005 to 2009. And they're on Roosevelt Boulevard. They're in Jacksonville. But
okay.
When it comes to frozen burgers, if you want to cook a burger and you're thinking most people don't go buy frozen burgers at the grocery store, right? But their burger is made from, choice 2-piece boneless chucks. And it's got we have a special process in Georgia that they use. So if you wanted a good homemade burger that tastes like a homemade burger that's frozen, you can't beat it. I don't work for them anymore, but the product's amazing. So to answer your question, I know where to go get the best of the best. I can help you get it shipped to you. I won't make any money off of it because I'm not selling direct to consumer. I do with the direct sales business, but I don't in the meat brokerage. Does that make sense? Everybody I deal with is larger scale wholesalers, distributors, food service processors, bacon manufacturers, you name it.